video editing for YouTube. We're going to be doing a little bake with me. I'm eating 4 eggs, 1 cup and 1/3 of warm milk, which is 110 to 115, 1/3 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. This is the one that I use. Teaspoon of baking powder of the flour. Yeah, we are gonna add this anyway. So it's 1/3 cup of sugar, and then you're gonna add 1/2 cup of flour. The cake box, I'm using this one, which is the Betty Crocker vanilla. And then I ended up getting this brand, which is the Jello, and it's white chocolate, but we are just using the halves too. Okay guys, that's it. It's 10:30. Woke up at 9:40, but I'm lazy, so. Junior's action. Literally, I heard it yesterday, like when it released. I was there listening to it, but I stopped because I was already like not doing nothing. So now I listen to the other half. No, all the songs hit though. I'm not gonna say they all hit. My man wanted peach cobbler and flan, but when we went to go get the stuff for the cake, he didn't tell me. So I don't like doing it. I don't like going back and having to rebuy all the ingredients, especially flan. That's like a lot of ingredients. So I was like, yeah, no. I'm going for peach cobbler. I just needed this peaches. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do that. It's like a little surprise. Butter sticks, unsalted. I'm gonna be using these. Oh yeah, good thing I did not record because oh my god, this shit was a pain. I'm not really a big fan of the color. Yeah, I don't fuck with the color like that, but I mean it's still gonna taste good. Really did the peach cobbler, clean everything, wash the dishes. I did make my man's peach cobbler that he wanted as a little surprise, but he's not gonna get here until like maybe an hour or two. I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna put aluminum foil and I'm gonna put it in the oven. This is how it looks. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to record for here because I haven't really been on here for a fat minute. I mean, it's still cute. What the fuck? The leche is leaking for some. Don't forget to hit that like and hit that subscribe button, y'all, and stay tuned with my videos. If y'all want that, let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.